everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of the conference series. Today we have a great topic and a very useful topic for all of you. How to structure and design effective research posters for your conference. Now this means that your abstract is accepted and many congratulations since it is accepted. Now let's move further for the presentation of an effective research poster. What are the points that you have to consider? Let's go through them. First important point, the purpose of a poster. Now, posters are meant for the visual storytelling. They are very different from the purpose of the slide presentations or oral talks. Poster gives a visual storytelling and it prompts one-on-one discussions. They should actually attract the audience and they should be able to explain the study quickly and effectively with clarity. Now, what is the structure of the poster that you should follow? You should follow the IMRAD. Capital I, capital M, capital R, capital A and capital D. It stands for Introduction, Methods, Results, Discussion or Conclusion, and in the end, References. All these are the parts that you should cover in your poster. Next important point, what should be the hierarchy? Title should be big enough to be read from 6 to 8 feet away. Yeah, far away. It should be big and bold enough to be able to be read from 6 to 8 feet away, far away. Headings should be nicely placed and big enough to guide the reader's eye. The reader should not struggle to find the headings. They should guide the reader's eye very easily, very clearly. Heading means introduction, method, results, discussion, references. Use the boxes, columns and spacing to organize everything in a beautiful, clear and neat manner. That is very important. Use the graphics wisely. Graphs, then tables, then text. Don't overload your poster with too many figures. 2 to 3 powerful visuals are more than enough. Next important point. Keep the text minimal. Use bullet points instead of long sentences. Think, if someone is just spending 2 minutes to go through your poster, what is the gist? So, they should be able to get the gist and the impact of that poster in 2 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes maximum. Next important point, colors and fonts. Use a light background. Don't use a very dark background. And use a dark text for readability. Light background with the dark text. Stick to 1 to 2 fonts. Don't clutter with too many different type of fonts. It will look very difficult to read. It will not look beautiful. Don't use neon colors. They really irritate the eyes. Don't use neon colors or very heavy patterns. Keep it simple, bold, clear. Next important point, practice your pitch. A poster is not for display. You have to explain it. You have to practice nicely the explanation, since you will be standing in front of the poster and explaining it to all the audience who are getting attracted to that particular poster. Prepare a 2 to 3 minute poster pitch to summarize your work. Suppose somebody is in a hurry and comes to you, you have to explain in 2 to 3 minutes. So you should have a nice, impactful pitch already practiced and thoroughly learned so that you can summarize your research findings to that particular person very quickly in a concise, understandable manner without wasting time of the other person also. So these should be well prepared in advance before you stand in front of your poster, and you should be ready enough, prepared enough to present your poster to a particular person. If they want to spend more time, they can go through it nicely. If they don't want to spend more time, you should be able to explain it nicely. So always remember, clarity with simplicity wins the game. Poster should tell the story visually and it should not be overcluttered or overwhelming. Everything should be easy to understand. It should be engaging, interesting and beautiful enough so that it is able to attract the other person. And it should be memorable also, impactful. If you like today's episode, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna come back with another powerful, impactful episode in the conference series in the next time. Till then, thank you, take care, bye-bye.